welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some home updates. If you're confused, I did purchase a new condo. I'll go ahead and link that video where I show you guys an empty house tour and everything in the description box below. But today I'm just going to show you all some of the updates that I've made so far and how I've been able to kind of save money while updating. So if you are interested in this video, then stick around.
All right, you guys, so I just want to show you guys the ShopTagr app and how I've been using it to save money while decorating and furnishing my home. So here is the ShopTagr app, and I am using this on my desktop today, but you can use this on your phone, which I have done in the past as well, but I thought it would be better to show you guys on a full screen. So basically, the ShopTagr app is an app that has a ton of different stores on there, 2,500 stores to be exact. So it has all of your clothing stores, I mean, from Adidas to ASOS to Abercrombie to Steve Madden to, I don't know, Farfetch, you guys. They have everything. I haven't been focusing on the clothing stores on here simply because I've been focusing on the home. So I've been visiting Overstock, TJ Maxx even, Bed Bath & Beyond, and so forth. So basically, let's just go to Overstock. I've really been on Overstock a lot. So let's go on there and see what they have. So you can see here where it's redirecting me to Overstock, and they're having a sale, which of course I love. Okay, so right now I'm kind of looking to furnish my home office. Also looking for, you know, like maybe a light fixture or something in my office as well. So I'm going to type in desk. I really want to go with like a black, white, and gold theme, right? But I like everything to look slightly modern, but still classic enough to where it's going to last, you know, throughout the test of time. I like this desk right off the back, and it's super cheap. $169. This looks like it has a decent amount of space. Okay, this is not bad at all. It's $169, right? So basically, if I don't want to pay the $169.99 right now, I can just save it to my ShopTagr app. And I already have that button downloaded. So it's going to say notify me when any price change, 25% off or 50% off. I'm going to say any price change because I don't think $169 is bad for a desk. And you can add it to a list. I have two lists set up. One is for clothing and one is for my home. So I'm going to save it to my home list. And now the item is saved to my ShopTagr, and we're going to go to my item so that you can see how it's saved on there. Back to the ShopTagr website or app, however you're using it, you can see here is the desk right here. So you can click on it and it'll show you what you've saved. And I'll let you guys get a glimpse of some of my other items that I have on here. So you can see a few clothing pieces. I have a nice clock here that I absolutely love, but it's $300. I don't want to pay that, from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have this cute little lamp here for TJ Maxx. Let's see. I have my chandelier that I already showed you guys earlier. You can see here it's $349, but I got it for about $296 through the ShopTagr app because it notified me when it went on sale. And yeah, just a few other things, you guys. So that's how I've been able to save money. And it's really helped me a lot because you guys know when you are purchasing things for your home or furnishing your home, it can get very expensive buying all these things. So this app just helps you to make sure that you are getting the absolute best deals there are. So I'll definitely go ahead and leave a link in the description box below for you all so that you can check out that app as well. So on to the home tour.
Okay guys, so I want to apologize for the lighting right off the bat because it's getting dark outside, and yeah. So as you can see, we got the walls painted. I went with Gossamer veil from Sherwin Williams all over the house, okay? We also did the touch-up paint on the doors and everything. As you can see, I did switch out my knobs. So we're gonna go right over here. If you guys remember those three doors, we have faux wood blinds there. I decided to go with faux wood just because I didn't want to invest in shutter blinds, and this was the cheaper alternative, and I do like the way it looks. Not sure if I'm going to do like drapery or anything. I may, just to make it a little bit more cozy for the theme that I'm going for, but I haven't decided yet, so we'll see about that. excuse all of this mess because, again, we're in construction here. So I'm gonna bring you guys over to the dining room, and this is more of the true lighting. So this is the paint color. I'm obsessed. I did think that it was gonna be a little too beigey, but I think that it's nice. It works really well because I didn't want something too cool tone gray, but I didn't want something too beige to make the room look yellow. So I like how it turned out. Here is my dining room mobile chandelier. Now it has not been fixed yet. Those little balls can move about, and you can kind of design them how you want them. But I did want like a really nice statement piece for the dining room area. So I found that on Overstock, you guys, and when I tell you I use ShopTagger so that I can get the best deal. This was originally $398 and I got it for $100 off. So ShopTagger definitely works because I was able to be notified when it went on sale, okay? And this cabinet is open, as you can see, but we just changed out the knobs. I went with a polished nickel knob, got those from Target. Also scored through ShopTagr because these were, I believe, $7.99, but they had like a little sale going on, so I got them for, I think, $5.98 or $5.99 each. And I had to get a ton of them because only 2 come to a box. So you can see that's 2, 4, 6 right there. And if we come over here to the kitchen, again, more mess. I did all of the cabinets in those same knobs. Now on the pulls here, I got these from Target as well, and you can see they are like acrylic and a nickel. I thought these were super cute and modern, just kind of girly, but not like overly, for a kitchen. So I'm loving it. And we have not switched out countertops. That's going to be like a later on thing. Again, I told you guys I wanted quartz, so I'm going to have to do some pricing and wait on that because, once you start doing updates, things get expensive very quickly. So here you can see the cabinets. They have been painted just white. I do like the white. I'm going to have to get the towel cleaned on the floor because we did not put the wood in here. So yeah, they were gonna need a jackhammer to get all of this towel up. So I did not change that out, but we're gonna get it clean to make it white again. Now if you come down the hallway, here is my hallway light fixture, and I scored this at Lowe's, and I absolutely love this light fixture because, again, I got it for a really good deal. I think it was like $70, I want to say. Lowe's has some really good pieces, you guys. And here we, of course, redid the knobs. Also here on the laundry, and it's probably junky in here. Yes, it is. But here's my laundry room. So this is my washer and dryer. And we did go ahead and put like marble floor down here underneath it because you guys remember it was super yellow and gross, and the shelving remains the same. So I just need to get all this cleaned up and dusted. But I like it a lot. I'm really happy with the progress we've made. So now let's move on into the guest bathroom. And same color on the walls. We changed out the towel racks. I got these from Lowe's. Changed out that shower head, Lowe's as well. The toilet paper rack, of course. I'm gonna get new toilet seats and stuff. Also added this little towel rack. I also, I was gonna get a whole new fixture in here, and I just decided to wait for a second just in case I want to redo the whole bathroom vanity. So I just changed out the globes, and it makes a huge difference, you guys. It looks super nice and modern, and I'm really happy with the globes. I think I paid like $7 each for those. So I got those at Lowe's as well. And here is the towel rack. So we also did the same knobs in here on the bathroom vanity. And of course, changed out that doorknob. Had to get rid of that gold. So now we're gonna go into the master and let me show you the closet. Now this is not done because I added a rod. If you looked at my last video, there was no rod. It was just shelving. So we added a rod up here, and then I'm gonna add another one here. This is where they took off another shelf, so that's gonna have to be patched up. And this side just remains the same with the 2 shelves. Okay. And now we are in the master, and you saw me. So I did the same globes in here, and I really do love how it looks. Now you can see I have my LED lights in here, and the lighting is absolutely amazing, you guys. I'm super excited. And same towel rack. In here we did all pulls. I just thought it would be easier because it is clear. I do my hair, I do my makeup, and I just thought it would be a lot easier, you know, just to open and whatever. It's just easier for me. I like these pulls a lot, but these were like $11.99 at Target for 2. So I wasn't able to get like them to go on all the cabinets and the drawers, but I thought they would be nice in my bathroom. So here is my towel rack here. And in the master, not much has been done in here. So not much has been done in the master bathroom, or I don't know what they call this part, you know, when it's separate. Forgive me. But we did, of course, change out that little toilet paper rack. And here is my towel rack. It's like a double, if it focuses, a double towel rack. And I still need to get a, shower head for in there because the one that I got was super fancy and it didn't connect well. So I have to get that. I'm going to pick that up right after this video, actually. And yeah, guys, so I guess I can give y'all a sneak peek. This is one of my art pieces that I'll be probably putting up on the wall. Pick that up at home. Sneak peek of some furniture. Yeah, so I'm super excited. I should be moving in here within the next week. All right, you guys, so that concludes my update so far. Things are coming along pretty well. I mean, I just did a few cosmetic changes just so that I would feel comfortable moving in. And of course, as I live here, I'll do more as I need to. But right now, I'm really happy with the progress I've made, and I should be moving in probably within the week. So I'm super excited to keep you guys updated. I can't wait to decorate and show you guys that process as well. So until then, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.